Clear acne naturally. Learn natural ways to clear acne that will not break your pocketbook. As anyone suffering from acne knows, it can be hard to know which is the best product for you. With all these new expensive products on the market, how do you know which is the right product for you? Many people spend lots of money buying over-the-counter acne products when there are other ways you can clear acne. I will share with you some of the natural ways I use to clear my acne. Baking soda. Starting off, you can use baking soda. Baking soda can be used to exfoliate your pores and remove dead skin. Simply take a rag and a small amount of baking soda and gently rub it on your skin. Wash off the baking soda and towel blot your face dry. Egg whites. Next, you can use egg whites. Egg whites are rich in protein and can be used as a mask to heal your skin. Egg whites will also help absorb oil from your skin. You simply beat egg white and put it on your face for 15 minutes and wash it off. That's it. Tea tree oil. Third, you can use tea tree oil. You can find this in the household section of drugstores or supermarkets. Basically, the tea tree oil will remove all the bacteria from your skin. Oatmeal. I know this sounds crazy, but you can actually use oatmeal to heal your skin. Oatmeal is very good for absorbing unwanted oils from your skin. You simply cook oatmeal like you would regularly and wait for it to cool off. Next, rub the cooked oatmeal onto your skin and let it sit as if it were a face mask. You will then rinse your face off with warm water and towel blot your face. Using this method on a daily basis will give you better results sooner. Aloe vera. One of the methods that I use most frequently to clear acne is aloe vera. The aloe basically prevents scars and acne spots. You can easily grow this in your garden and use this on a daily basis. You just rub the aloe into your skin and let it penetrate into your pores. Then wash off your face or skin. This is a very good method because aloe vera has so many nutrients and it will definitely clear your skin. Now that I have given you some pointers to clear acne naturally, I hope you can put them to use and save money. There is nothing like clearing up your skin using only natural remedies. You can use these methods over and over to keep your skin looking and feeling great. I wish you the best of luck. Useful links, free info.